Hello you guys, welcome back to Marcella's Way. As you saw from the title, today's video is going to be a haul of sorts of all of my new airbrush supplies. So as you saw from one of my previous videos, I said that I was going to be starting to do airbrushing. Now I know you're probably wondering, why are you doing airbrushing? Like, why do you want to do that? Well, I honestly believe that doing vinyl is cool, and doing different designs on different softwares and Silhouette Studio is really cool. But the only problem is I really realized that I'm a paper and pen type of girl. I'm a person that likes to kind of do the old school way. I like to draw. I like to actually do something with my hands. When you're doing things digital, it's not the same experience as actually moving your hand around. So I felt like that doing vinyl and certain other things was kind of restricting me creatively. So I figured I would learn how to do the airbrushing on a t-shirt. Now mind you, notice I said airbrushing on a t-shirt. I'm not new to airbrushing at all. I've actually been airbrushing cakes for years. So I know how to, the basics of using an airbrush, but I am learning the technique of doing it on a shirt. So I want to show you some of the things that I got. I'm really excited. This will also show you the items that you may need to get started. If I'm missing something and anybody that does airbrushing notices some stuff that I'm missing or some brands that maybe I need to try, make sure you leave that in the comment section below. If you have any other questions or whatever and you want to get directly to me, go to my Instagram page at minitingz4. Make sure you guys are looking out for the website that will be here. I will also put the Instagram information right here. Let's get to the video. First thing I got is I got these little jars, and these connect to the bottom of the airbrush. So you put the paint in there and then it sucks the paint up into the airbrush and out. So I have used the airbrush that I used to use was the one with the area on the top, but that doesn't hold nearly as much paint. You'll be changing every 5 minutes if you do that. So I can have some type of like workflow, I got a package of 10 of these so I can put the different colors in it and just switch it out as I go. So yes, I got this from Master Airbrush. All right, the next thing I got is a very important item. This is my airbrush gun, and I did research and I realized, or I found out, that a company called Iwata has an airbrush gun. Now, this was a little more expensive than some of the other ones that you'll find on Amazon. I hear it's a really good airbrush, so I'll be the judge of that myself. I'm gonna go ahead and open this because I literally waited until I got on camera with you guys before I open this stuff because I wanted us to share this experience together. And usually I'm like a kid in the candy shop and I want to open stuff right away, but I wanted to wait on y'all. So this is it. This is it. The Iwata airbrush gun. And as you saw, the little jars go in here. So I got the Iwata airbrush gun. So it comes with all this little stuff. Oh, I think this is a sticker. Comes with a little sticker. Oh, and that's cool too. Like a little practice sheet. That's cool. So it comes like this. Iwata airbrush gun. All right, so this is 20 Mylar sheets. So as you guys know, I have 2 Silhouette Cameo. I have a 3 and a 4. So I felt there was no need to make or to buy all these different stencils, and I can make them myself. So I got the Mylar sheets from Amazon. They are 12 by 12, so they'll fit on my mat wheel. So I will be making different stencils. I'm excited to make hearts and circles and bricks and whatever the case is. Color. So I got color here, which is by Createx, and I got opaque, red, yellow, blue, green, basically primary colors, black and white. And then I got a fluorescent set, which is most of the time airbrush is bright. So I got the fluorescent set also by Createx, and it's got all the bright colors, different color pinks, green, blue, purple, orange, that type of thing. I got these also from Amazon. I put on the screen how much each of these items cost. I also got Createx reducer. So the reducer is what you put into the paint to thin it out a bit so it is easy to airbrush. So I got a jar of this reducer, water based. I wonder if it's a difference. Like, it says water based, but is there a non-water based? If you know the answer, put that down in the comment section. And if you see something that I completely missed, also put that down in the comment section. I'm new to this, so I want to make sure that if you guys know something else I should get, another brand I should get, please leave that down in the comment section. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, and so the number one item I got, I actually got one more thing, but I don't have that yet. Airbrush compressor. So I did some research. There was a YouTube channel that I watched that said that this was a good airbrush to use. I'll also leave his channel on the screen. He said that this was a good airbrush compressor to use. So I'm going to see for myself. I think I have owned about 3 airbrush machines in my cake career. None of them look like this though. Yeah, I got this compressor also from Amazon. And the other thing that I got is I got a projector. The projector will actually project an image onto the shirt. It's a straightforward projector. I have also used a projector before when I first started decorating cakes, and it was a good guideline until I got better. And as I got better, then I was able to, you know, freehand things a little bit more. So it's just to help me to, you know, through my learning process. So I got the projector, but that's not here yet. I also got that off of Amazon. It's not a lot, honestly. My husband has an easel, so I will be hijacking that. Then I have to go and get some masonite boards for to form the t-shirts, and some, I'll probably just get clothespins. It's no need to be too fancy. So yeah, I'm in my craft room. I want to try my very hardest to keep this as organized as possible, because I don't want to be trapped like rats. I want to have a free and decluttered creative space so I can think properly, and I won't be going around here like a chicken with my head cut off. Because again, I learned from, for one, t-shirt making, if you don't watch it, it can get messy. But in doing cakes, I realized that in order for your work to turn out properly, you have to try your very hardest to have a semi-organized, semi-neat space, because it helps your creativity. It helps you to be able to think properly, basically just like anything else. So thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I hope you guys have enjoyed the videos that I have put out so far. Make sure that you go to my channel and check out all the different videos that I have for t-shirt making. I hope you enjoy them. I hope they are helping you. Thank you to everyone that has commented on all of my videos. Thank you for liking. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. So As always, I have a my way so I can inspire you to have a your way.